Okay, now we continue with statistic in Python. Okay, the subtopic is about variance, standard deviation, quantiles, quartiles, and interquartile range. Okay, all right. So the introductions of this subtopic is standard deviation and variance are determined by using the mean of a group of numbers. Okay, so before this you have learned how to find the mean. All right, and then mean, what is meant by mean is the average of a group of numbers. Okay, so variance measures the average degree to which each number in the group is different from the mean. Okay, so the formula is defined as the average of the squared differences from the mean. Okay, so what you should do is first you need to find the mean value. All right, and then for each number subtract the mean and square the results. Okay, then calculate the total for all results. Okay, and lastly find the average of those squared differences. Okay, so the example we can see here, okay, how to calculate the variance. Okay, so first you need to find the mean value. Okay, so example here, they ask you to find the variance of height of the top 6 buildings in London and in London, England. Okay, so the heights in feet. Okay, so there are the numbers. Okay, so you need to find the numbers, means you need to total up all the numbers. All right, and then divide by 6. Okay, the means the number of the how many data that you have. All right, and then you subtract the mean and square the results. So they give you the examples here. The first value is 800. All right, and then you minus with the mean and then you square the results. Okay, so you need to do for each numbers. All right, and then you will get the answer. Okay, and then from the answer you need to find the average. Okay, means you need to divide by 6, so you will get another value, that is the variance for the heights of the tops of 6 buildings in London. Okay, all right, so do you know that is the variance is greater when there is a wider range, okay, of numbers in the group. Okay, and it lesser when there is a less numbers in a group. Okay,